The baht, the official currency of Thailand, has a rich history intertwined with the country's cultural heritage and economic development. One notable denomination is the 10 baht coin, featuring the first portrait of King Maha Vajiralongkorn, also known as Rama X. This coin not only holds monetary value but also serves as a symbol of Thailand's monarchy and identity. In this essay, we delve into the significance, value, and historical context of the Rama X first portrait 10 baht coin. 1. Historical context of Thai currency. The history of Thai currency dates back centuries, with various forms of currency used throughout different periods. The modern Thai baht traces its origins to the 19th century when it was introduced as a unit of currency under King Chulalongkorn's reign. Over the years, the baht has undergone changes in design, denomination, and material composition, reflecting the evolution of Thailand's economy and society. 2. Introduction of the Rama X first portrait coin. King Maha Vajiralongkorn ascended to the throne in December 2016, following the passing of his father, King Bhumibol Adulyadej, Rama IX. The Rama X first portrait coin was introduced to commemorate King Vajiralongkorn's reign and replace the previous portrait of King Bhumibol Adulyadej on Thai currency. Issued by the Royal Thai Mint, the 10 baht coin features a portrait of King Vajiralongkorn on the obverse side, with the denomination and year of minting displayed on the reverse side. 3. Design and specifications. The Rama X first portrait coin is minted in nickel brass, with a diameter of 25.0 mm and a weight of approximately 8.5 grams. The obverse side of the coin showcases a detailed portrait of King Vajiralongkorn, wearing ceremonial attire and adorned with regal insignia. On the reverse side, the numeral 10 is prominently displayed, indicating the coin's denomination, along with the Thai script representing baht and the year of minting. 4. Cultural and symbolic significance. As with previous Thai coins featuring monarchs, the Rama X first portrait coin holds cultural and symbolic significance for the Thai people. It symbolizes continuity and respect for the monarchy, reinforcing the bond between the ruler and the citizens. The portrait of King Vajiralongkorn serves as a reminder of Thailand's constitutional monarchy and its role in the nation's history and identity. 5. Value and collectability. While the Rama X first portrait coin has a face value of 10 baht, its collectible value may exceed its nominal worth. Collectors, numismatists, and enthusiasts may seek out this coin for its historical significance, rarity, and aesthetic appeal. The condition, minting errors, and scarcity of the coin can influence its market value, with certain specimens fetching higher prices in numismatic markets. 6. Conclusion. The Rama X first portrait coin represents a unique blend of monetary value, historical significance, and cultural symbolism. Through its design and portrayal of King Vajiralongkorn, the coin reflects Thailand's rich heritage and reverence for its monarchy. Whether as a collector's item, a monetary unit, or a symbol of national pride, the 10